We've arrived. Join us on a walk through Peace Love Vans.
Starting with our Van Sunshine.
We're Paul and Sarah, also known as PS Adventures, living life to the fullest, one adventure at a time.
Here's a glimpse into this huge van life gathering of over 500 vans, all in the beautiful Florida sunshine. This is the best place to see how others live in their vans and to get ideas for ourselves.
You have a button right here.
This is the bed. Oh, I see.
Yeah, it stays made.
Yeah. It's a special time when this community comes together like this. We have time to get to know each other.
What's going on?
How's it going, guys? And it becomes the start of many lifelong friendships that we're so grateful for.
That Lachua Trail.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, they're all gone.
No.
What happened?
I was doing so well. The wind came and ruined our game. Now we have to go find them. Where'd they go?
Now it's 52 pickup.
Pick up the damn car. Should have bought you guys all
Oh man, and I was doing well.
about that. I'm like, wait, I should be
That's too bad.
Thank you, Brent.
Yes.
That was sad.
So who won?
I did.
I did.
Is this not the cutest little banana you've ever seen? Look at this homegrown Florida banana.
We're gonna be able to check them out on there.
Oh wow, that's good.
You told him we were.
You never know what you're gonna find at some of these events. Arr. It's gonna make me walk the plank. Pirates only. What is this?
Oh, hanging with the Huns just gave us these little gifts. That's so cute.
I know, thank you guys.
Don't do any of this.
Oh my gosh. We were about to be baking in the hot sun, and our friend let us borrow a moonshade.
I know, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's gonna be amazing, lifesaver.
First time putting up the Moonshade XL. It's huge. So how would you rate the setup? Good?
A 10. Looks great.
All right.
I love it. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Bikes are a great way to get around quickly, but beware, because our friend Elisa really liked our bikes.
What do you think? You like it?
I love it. So, okay, I'm taking it.
Bye.
Bye. I'll never come back.
I have a tracker on it.
Oh my gosh, part of what I love about this event is meeting people along the road. We met actually at Van Fest.
And we're a family of 4 just traveling in our self-converted camper van. We just finished our second build to accommodate for the 2 little guys. Yeah, on the road for 5 years now. We came along to the event here.
Awesome.
And just to kind of check out some of the vans and see you guys.
If you guys like van building though, they have the most amazing time lapse from beginning to end that you can watch. He's just going through cutting everything, put it all together.
Our channel is Rina and Michael, R-I-N-A and Michael. Drastic.
Yeah, it was drastic.
Wow.
This is a nice view. You got a lot of real estate up here. Is very valuable for a van. Very cool hangout area.
Woohoo! Definitely over 500.
You just counted those right now,
I
right?
just, it was 633.
I love it. Apparently there's a bunch of poles.
All right. How many paws can you get together? Let's pop it over here.
Pole 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Hello.
That's Macy.
Hello.
Hi. of the vendors here at Peace Love, and they have such a cute little van in here. We'll see you guys later.
See you later.
Stay cool.
Smash it.
Hi. Are these the winning number? That's the question. We'll find out later today.
I know, fingers crossed.
That's it. The rest is up to fate.
Thanks for coming to yoga.
So sit back in your chair, Utkatasana. Pressing into the feet.
Yeah.
Yoga was the best.
Mike does the best yoga.
I know, it was amazing. That was so smooth. You gotta stop and smell the roses. All right, a little more vans, let's go.
Our sticker in the wild.
Aww. That is so cool. I love when you tour a van and we happen to be there. Wow. What is inside a custom-built ambulance? A lot of living space.
We love your ambulance. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Hi. Writing our van story.
Yes.
Come check out this van. This has a bed that slides out. Oh, I love it. Wouldn't that be nice to have extra room? 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8 here.
7, 8 there?
This slides out like that. So then this comes like that.
Oh man, we have to vote with our last ticket, and we have somebody special to give it to because they did an awesome build, but we got to catch them because
Voting ends like right now. We ran here.
Oh, thank y'all so much. I really
You're
appreciate
welcome.
that.
You get
Oh,
our
yeah.
vote.
Oh, thank y'all so much.
you got the best build.
Oh, I
Amazing.
really appreciate that. Thank y'all so much.
And you can kind of mix and match. You buy the truck and then you figure out what you want to put on the back. So
This is our friend Paul's truck camper. He's letting us in. He's shutting the door. He's like, just have fun. Just have fun. But it is really big in here. Like,
Can you even touch the ceiling?
no, look at this. Look at this. I don't even know if I jumped if I could touch this at this point. It's gorgeous. It looks like a room, like a studio apartment. This is nuts. How big it is in a truck camper. Here we are. Aww. And all our friends and all of the stickers from this beautiful event. It was so much fun. Do you see the kitchen behind you?
Whoa.
This is bigger than the entire space we have in our van. That's how big this is.
And that is what you can do if you build out a box truck. Wow.
You're going to get stuck. So if you have plans to
We took a nap. We were just chilling in there.
that's great. Whatever you need.
This is just so pretty. I gotta get this with the sunset.
Thanks for the Tennessee goodie bag, Paul.
Vibes are great. Last night. Hey, Carrie. Come meet Jordy.
Oh yeah.
This is the sweet pup we've had in front of our rig this whole event. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Oh, goodness gracious, Jordy Bordy.
Oh, you just got so excited. On the last night, the evening came to life with campfires, music, dancing. karaoke late into the night.
So good! So good! So good!
And there was a lot of talent.
Here come on, flat top Pico.
I fell into a ring of fire.
And got the music in me.
Thanks for being here, guys. Be sure to subscribe to our adventures. It really helps our channel grow. Ready to see a nice view?
Yes, I am.
Beautiful sunset, live music, good friends, and tons of vans. Peace, love, vans. What more could you ask for? Until next time, P.S. Live your best adventure.